Hey everybody, welcome back to Florida Lanai Curtains and Privacy On Demand YouTube channel. Today we're installing some shade sails out here in Bayside Lakes down in Palm Bay. Customers looking for a way to get some shade over this grill area in the heat of the day, in the early afternoon, early evening, and they wanted to shade this space. We got a couple grills out here, smoker, whatever. So we need some shade out here because it's basically unbearable in the summertime, and some is even part of the winter or fall, or spring and fall, to get any kind of relief from the sun while grilling. And you know, when you're standing next to a hot grill, the last thing you want is the hot sun beating down on you as well from overhead. So customer decided to put some of our sand shade sails up here. Does a really good color choice that blends in with the color of the house, kind of a really light tan oyster color, and the sand colored pool deck. And then we also got a linen colored umbrella. So we went with the sand that matches, kind of coordinates with all of them. So yeah, there we go. Another, you see we installed 3 shade sails. These are rectangles with kind of a slant on one end to kind of go with the screen enclosure. We do our best to line up the shade sails with the aluminum of the enclosure so it looks like it's just a natural part of the enclosure. It blends in. It's not no confusing lines when you look up. It's just all lined up and symmetrical if we can. Now, the only time we typically can't install our shade sails is if you've got one of those just crazy screen enclosures that just doesn't have any 90-degree angles on it. Those are really tough to get a good fit between the aluminum. We can try it, but we can't guarantee it's always going to come out as nice and clean as this. But sometimes we just we'll let you know right up front that, hey, we can't do it. Your screen enclosure is just a little bit too crazy. We'll offer some alternatives for you. Like maybe doing a larger shade sail with some wire rope and some turnbuckles. But we'll let you know what your options are. So if you're looking for shade in an outdoor space similar to this, want to get some relief while you're out by the grill, give us a call at 321-522-8989. We did recently change our number. We changed the number on the website, but you can reach me directly at 321-522-8989. And if you're on the Gulf Coast, I'll refer you over to my sons, Hyatt and Markland, who help out our customers over there in the Wesley Chapel all the way to Ocala, Gainesville, that area. So give us a call, and we'd be glad to help you get some shade or privacy in your outdoor space. Thanks for stopping by our channel, and we appreciate it. Have a great day.